Good morning, guys. Look at my mga baby. Ang aking mga baby, nababaliw na sila, guys, kasi they saw bird outside and they want to catch. They want to catch it. But how are they going to catch it? It's not ano pala. It's not ibon, kundi langaw. Look at the langaw, guys. Kaya gusto nilang anuhin. Oh, kaya gusto nilang anuhin. They want to jump it, but they can't because the flies was outside. And look at them, guys. They are already crazy. They cannot catch the flies. They are so cute. Asan kayang isang pusa ko? Bakit tatlo lang ito? Oh my God, where's the other one? Cat. Ayan. Look at them, guys. He's trying. Yeah! Oo. Akala ko, I thought it was a bird, but it's not. It's not a bird. It was flies, a big fly. Ayan. Ala, sige! He's trying again. He's trying again. But how? Sige, sige, sige. One more time. One more time. Natawa ako talaga sa mga alaga ko, guys. Asan yung isang pusa? 1, 2, 3. Where's the other one? He's hiding in there. I'm worried. I thought I lost him because I cleaned the windows just now, guys. Alright. Ayan na si Lily. Ayan ang bahay nila. He's very obsessed, guys. He's really keep jumping on it. Ayan lang, he cannot catch it because it was outside. See, see, see. Obsessed, really. Ayan, guys, maglinis na ang inyong kunyang kasi wala na akong natapos. Bye-bye, guys. Love you all. Bless Wednesday morning to all of us. Keep safe, everyone. Bye. Ayan ang mga gamit ko, guys. Nagkalat na. Ayan. Bye-bye. Ang inyong kunyang. Yan si Lily. Bye-bye.